this is group 5, the handling scenario 1. So here we've opened our worksheet. We have the two sheets. This is sheet 1 and sheet 2, which is loan applications. We inserted the shape here to help us run the login form. So this is run form. We went to insert, then shapes. We picked up this shape, so we inserted it here, we dragged it here. So we went ahead and right clicked. When you right click, there is this assign macro. Then you go ahead and choose the file that you're going to run, which is run form. So here when we click here, it will just bring us to a login form. So login form, we put in our credentials, which is BBC, and password is 2025. Therefore we log in. Welcome to Shema Women in Circle. This is the message box, and then we takes you directly to the loan details form. Before I go to that, so here when you press run form, we go to username. Let's say we are going to insert in wrong details, so this is HHY, and password, let's say 444. Login. It will bring a message box which is invalid login credentials. Try again. When you press cancel, it will just clear those text boxes. So we'll go ahead and sign in, which is BBC 2020, BBC 2025. Yes, 2025. Login. So it should just take us to the loan details form. We insert the details. Member ID shall say 01. Name. See. Loan amount shall say 2M. The interest rate 4. Repayment period, let it be 48. So when you press submit, they say repayment schedule created in sheet loan Katende. So our question required us to, when we press submit, the repayment schedule should create automatically, and then it will be in loan, then hyphen name of the individual. So this is okay. Loan application submitted successfully. So this will automatically create the monthly payment, the PMT, which is the monthly payment, the principal payment, interest payment, and the ending balance. So when try to insert in the wrong details, for example, we shall just fill in the work, the loan amount, let's say this is 2M, and the interest rate. When we submit, they'll say enter name. So you can't submit this form before you fill in all the details. Okay, so we'll go back here. This is loan application, sheet 1. So you go to developer, Visual Basic. Shall go to our login form first. So this is the login command button. We declared our username as string, so that it will enable us to insert the characters. Dim password, so we are declaring our password as integer, it will be numbers. So this is username equals to me.textuse. Textuse, it is the name that we gave the text box. For the label, username. Password, text pass is the name that we gave the text box for the password. Dot value. So here we used an if statement. We said if username equals to BBC and password, Then message box, welcome to Shema Women is Circle. So that's the message box we saw at first when we logged in correctly. So here it's unload me. Unload me means exactly when we log in, then the login form will disappear after logging in. Application.visible, which is equal to true. This is loan form dot show. So this is the name that we give the login details form, the loan details form, which is loan form dot show, which means immediately after clicking the login button, so it will automatically show the loan details form for filling in. This is the else is in case of invalid login credentials, it will bring this message box, which is a valid login credentials. Try again. Then application.visible, which is the worksheet, to be true to display. So we shall go to our loan form, which is the loan member ID, name, loan amount, interest rate, and repayment period. So we shall go to our submit button, which is the main issue here. So we inserted in, we put some comments to help you understand what we're trying to do. So these are the functions that we called out to create for us the loan repayment schedule. So here it will after display the message loan application submitted successfully, which is the message box, after logging in correctly with all the right details. So these are the codes. So we are setting our focus on the text ID, which is this one here. Since the ID can easily identify each member, it's a unique identifier, so we can easily, names can be the same and IDs can't be the same. So we are setting our focus on the ID, text member ID. So this is it. When we run, it automatically brings this here. So this is what we did. Thank you for listening.